Guys, we got yet another beautiful tank smoker rolling out shop here at TMG today. This one going to my man Michael. Let me tell you something, this ain't Michael's first TMG. He got a Heritage 72 from us back in the day. He called us up and said, guys, I'm ready for an upgrade. And I'll tell you what, he got a big upgrade of that. This is a 750 gallon tank offset on our custom built trailer. Let's check it out. Now guys, on the trailer package, we build all of our trailers in-house, design around your setup, and we build them right, okay? We got a powder coated finish, dual 6,000 pound axles, stainless steel fender toppers, beefy fenders, guys. That ain't no China crap right there. Now we'll open the smoker up, guys. On the 750, you get 3 doors, 3 top racks, of course. Now this is our patina finish. This is really nice looking tank, came out great, 3 coats of high gloss clear, really make it pop. Counterweights make the doors easy to open. That is standard on a 750, as well as a fold down stack. 3 top racks, 5 racks on the bottom, go the whole length of the tank. Stainless steel fender topper, of course. We got the El Chagong 750. For y'all that don't know Spanish, that's the badass 750. Open up the firebox here. 3/8 thick pipe on the inside, it ain't gonna burn out on you. Holds heat great. Doors insulated, front of it's insulated as well. On the passenger side, we got storage all the way up to the front and a spare tire up there as well. So guys, y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.